So welcome back, my dear students. This is another part about the international transport. And we will work here on the that file, the international transport. The key factors in transportation modes, or what are the main factors that determine what kind of mode I would use? Like I use train, I would use planes, I would use ships, I would use rail, or the train, or I will use airplanes or pipelines. What will make me, when we talk about this before, the speed is the first determinant factor. The frequency, like how many times you are going to use it, like a trade-off which emerged in, let me say the point of frequency in easy way. How many times you will use this media? If you use it too much, that means you will look for a cheaper way of transporting. If you would use once or twice, then you won't need for such a kind. Packing is a key area in the transport trade-off. Also is very important. Goods by air containerization and transportation requires less packing. So you will, as example, and for the air, it requires less packing. Insurance is very important also. Packing and insurance are not always identified in the supply chain management focus on areas of potential improvement of cost saving. Warehousing also is very important because where you will put your own goods on, when you will store it, you have to store it. It's not only a matter, like we said before, the logistics include the warehousing and the transportation and the production. Those three activities, the IT and the commerce. IT is very important also for the development of the logistics systems. Now we can see that most of the logistics systems are working through electronic documentation. And the computer power has revolutionized the world of logistics by speeding the flow of accurate information across the whole supply chain. We have operational planning software. We have tactical planning, which embrace reworking distribution. We have strategic plan. Computer programs can yield enormous advantage to facilitate strategic decision making by using the computers. It's not only a logistic, using the softwares and everything can facilitate the life. Information technology also offer numerous trade opportunities. We have as example like the off-the-shelf system, which often produced by software companies specializing in the logistic industry. Bespoke system tailored to a specific company's requirements, EDI linking. All these are examples of using the electronic or the softwares in proceeding in the logistic systems. As well, the e-commerce. What about the e-commerce? The e-commerce has changed the dynamic of the supply chain and distribution in fundamental ways. Marketing and selling can be undertaken globally now. The e-commerce helped that the marketing becomes globally. High level of returns create the need of efficient reverse logistics. It develops a new era of warehousing. Also, it develops a quick response rate to inquiries, deliveries, all contributing to optimum stock level. We have also project installation management. What are the critical dates? As example, a site survey is desirable to determine points of access and identify key areas. The third point is to establish the person to sign off formally the installation of the project. Those are some points that we have to focus on when we work globally on the global logistics. The use of the softwares can help a lot. Thank you so much. We'll see you by the next video.